We actually were the first food manufacturer in the country that were 100% green, and we got all our energy needs from renewables. We're here on our farm in Somerset, and I'm Jason Fuel, the Engineering Director of Wyke Farms. We're a family farmhouse cheesemaker, and we've been making cheese in this region for 150 years. And we make about 13,000 tonnes of cheddar per year. Behind me you'll see our anaerobic digestion plant and a Carborex MS 1400 gas to grid plant from DMT. Wyke Farms started the green journey about 5 years ago, and our aim was to be 100% green, and we actually were the first food manufacturer in the country that were 100% green, and we got all our energy needs from renewables. We'd already done electric 5 years ago, and we realised that we had plenty of food waste available to us, and we looked into the possibilities of gas, and it was just starting to become, the technology was starting to become available to do this. We're keen to not actually grow anything to put in the plant and just purely use waste for the plant. Obviously we have slurry from the cows, and we have waste from the cheese making process, which is a high calorific lactose solution that we were struggling to sell or get rid of, and it was ending up land spread. So we thought we could make use of this. And also in this region there's a lot of cider producers who provide us with apple pomace, and bread waste from supermarkets as well is another feedstock that we use. It's like the human body, it needs a balanced diet, so that's what we try and feed it. We're close to the village of Bruton, and we like to think that Bruton's the greenest village in Somerset. We're making enough gas on site to supply 6,000 to 8,000 houses, plus supply all the gas that we need for our factory and making cheese. Well, being in the dairy industry, we use membrane technology for milk processing, and we also recover a lot of our water, so we were already using membranes to recovering water. So membrane technology seemed a good fit for what we wanted to do. We looked at lots of different plants, and we went to lots of different providers of gas to grid equipment, including water wash, and we saw that DMT were the best option due to their methane slip. There were lots of bigger companies that we were being pushed by the finances of the job to actually take on board, but we could see that the methane slip was the key issue that we wanted to address. So that was our whole reason to come to DMT. We saw DMT as quite a similar company to ourselves, so we found them very easy to work with in terms of the design stage of the plant, and they were very good with the drawings and information they provided. Yeah, we have had some issues with high CO2 and a bit of condensate in the gas that we're working with DMT with, but as we stand now, we are running just over 100% gas to grid, so it fits in well.